Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Volkswagen Jetta car key battery. This easy method requires just a few simple tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and one new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick task should take you less than 5 minutes, getting your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small seam running along the side of your Volkswagen Jetta key. You'll find a tiny notch there. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your Volkswagen Jetta and test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your car to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.